Mythological stories about the various prophets were created by storytellers in an ornamental and exaggerated manner. This created a lot of confusions. The Hindu religion episodes here are made from sources of Rig Veda, Sham Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda, Upanishad, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Gita, Taittiriya Brahman, Smriti Shastra, the holy book of Hindu religion, and lectures of Professor Bhupendranath Smriti Tirtha of Calcutta University. He was recipient of President's Award in 1977 for his scholarly contribution in Hindu religion. Following are the guiding principles of Hindu religion. The preamble of Veda Sloka says, Madhume jivbhaya dadatu parameshwara jenahang sarvapriya sarvajaneshya bhuayam, which means, fill me with the sweetness of honey so that I may speak or write glorious words. Veda recognizes no sin. It only recognizes error. And the greatest error, says the Veda, is to treat your own self as weak and a sinner. Ethics is superior to intellect. Without ethical perfection, there is no spiritual progress. An ethical man is much better than a man of dry intelligence. Ethics is based on religious teachings which refrain a man from evil conduct. A Hindu needs to be kind and helpful to everyone and everything that is created by the Almighty Ishvara. A devotee needs to make earth a better place than what he got during his birth. Hindus are those who are pure in heart, peacemakers, ready to undergo persecution for righteousness' sake, and help everybody to overcome adversity. A Hindu will not kill except for food and self-defense, commit adultery, steal or bear false witness. A Hindu will have control on his tongue, for tongue plays a decisive role on his success, happiness, fortune or misery. Worldly life is short, so a Hindu needs to be good so that he is pleasing to Ishvara. A Hindu should practice good manners and try to be useful person to the society. A Hindu needs to work intelligently, for he will reap what he sow. A Hindu needs to practice patience and be free from delusions. Work is the best worship. Knowledge alone destroys ignorance, as light destroys darkness. Body and Atma, that is soul, are separate. Soul is eternal while body is perishable. Don't ask for a result or for a boon, because God will decide what is best for you. Work hard with all sincerities. The result will be rewarding proportionately. This is, in short, what Hinduism is all about. In next lectures, we will go into details of Hindu religion.
Katava kanta kaste putraha sansaroyo mativa vichitraha kasya tvanga kutayataha tattvang chintaya यदि तं भ्रातः भजो गोविन्दं भजो गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भजो मूढमते मा कुरु धनजना यौवना गर्वं हरति निमेषात् कालः सर्वं मायामयमिदमखिलं हित्वा ब्रह्मप्रदं प्रविशाशु विदित्वा भजो गोविन्दं भजो गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भजो मूढमते नलिनी दलगता जलमति तरलं तद्वा जीविता मतिशया चपलं क्षणमति सज्जना संगतिरेका भवति भरने तरने नौका भजो गोविन्दं भजो गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भजो मूढमते कातव कान्ता कस्ते पुत्रः संसारोऽयो मतीव विचित्रः कस्यात्वं वा कूतायातः तत्त्वं चिन्तय यदि तं भ्रातः भजो गोविन्दं भजो गोविन्दं गोविन्दं भजो मूढमते